I am thankful for my teachers and for all the things they do for us. They teach us math, take the time and money for fun activities. They also give us extra recess. And I am thankful for Miss Dubé, Miss McKee, and Miss Gay.
I am thankful for my friends and family because they give me comfort and very good support.
I am thankful for my friends and family because they love me, and I am thankful of that because I wouldn't have anything here today.
I'm thankful for my friends because without them I wouldn't be who I am today, because they have inspired me to never give up.
I'm thankful for the teachers because they work so hard to become a teacher, and they help kids learn new things every day.
I am thankful for my parents for always being there when I'm sad or feeling down. They are so loving and special to me. I could never have better parents.
I am grateful for my family, friends, and my health. I am also grateful to be an educator at Peru.
I am thankful for my friends and family. I am also thankful for my teachers who make learning fun every day.
I am thankful for my home because it is a safe and comfortable place where I can spend some time alone or hang out with my family.
I am grateful for my house because it gives me shelter.
I'm thankful that my parents take such good care of me.
This is what I'm most grateful for is my friends, because when I'm sad, they always cheer me up. I'm grateful for my family and my teachers because they are teaching me how to be a responsible adult.